This is S9040 microprocessor pH TDS MV temperature meter Systonic. So I will explain how to operate this instrument, but first we'll go through its setup. This is to attach the adapter, and this one is for the temperature probe, and this plug is to connect your RS-232 which we provide, and this is for the TDS cell, and this terminal is for the pH. Now we will turn the power on. So these are the control keys. As we have connected this TDS cell and dipped it in 1 millisiemen standard solution, which you can prepare by the instructions given in the manual. So after that, we'll go to Cal, into TDS, press enter, and then we'll go to its factor, which is 65. So if it's not put in there, you can change it through this up and down key, and after that press enter, and then we'll go to mode, and from here you can check the value. Now for the pH, as I have connected the electrode and dipped it in the 7 pH buffer solution, which you can prepare by the instructions provided in the manual. So now you can also go to menu, and from here you can change the parameters. Press enter, and to pH press enter. So now your parameter is changed. So after that, go to Cal, into pH press enter, and to calibration press enter. Now press enter. After that, again press enter, and it's calibrated. The procedure will be the same for the 4 pH, that is for buffer 2, and 9.20 pH, that is for buffer 3. After that, you can check the readings by again going to the mode. So that's how it operates.